We're learning how to use the crop tool in CorelDRAW. So when you look at this tools bar, crop tool is the third tool here. So and this just like I said before, this small sign here indicate that there are other tools within this group. So when you click the drop down like that, you see all other tools within this crop tools. So you just click and drag it to detach it from the toolbar so that you'll be able to see all the tools available. Now let's start with the first one, the crop tool. Select your subject, your image, what you want to crop at, then select the crop tool. Then you start from the outside like this. So if this is the only area, this is the area that you want to see, then let's say you only want from here to this point, you don't want other places. So you can just adjust this node to fit in nicely in case your image has the background also, like this. And once you click the check mark, this mark will crop, it is done. You can see your image has been cropped. Now let's undo for you to see the images. Let's undo, this is it before, and redo, and this is our image. And I want to use eraser tool to crop this image. How do I do it? It's very simple. Just pick this tool and start cleaning, and so let's clean like this. Okay, but mind you have to note that this is a non-destructive method. You can still bring back what you've cleaned without having to undo multiple times. But the first method is a destructive method, the crop tool. Once you crop your image, you have to undo to bring them back. But this one, I don't have to undo. I can still bring these clean areas back. How do I do that? Okay, you have the image selected. Go to your crop tool, your shape tool rather. So select everything here, click on any one of them and drag it down like this, release, and everything is what back to normal. So in case you are some areas are still missing, you can still continue to drag down until those areas replace, and that's all. And see the difference.